at me because I will pay one way. Maybe what to me crash out at the twasum you see already my shot was you. That bang walk $2,000. I could rest or send the shopping. Uko a black and kwan toy. Black and kwan calabianfra. Also, we need pump so better one color. Upasa share different in teaching. Obi who the same person. Meba. Now I don't know your media. Well, boy, the other colors here. Now people have a problem. What's your sampan and I'm saying sampan macamun, you know. Because of the muye. Muya no about to TV so. Now yes, I know what painting and them fit. What did you attempt? Now you collay and comuni mushenu musia. Timumu qua, nem colana besu. Incoye. Yet. Someone perhaps in Libya qua. Yes, Christo now over fire con one test how. Timagino, my mindset na. Modity Krum had a mojum woman and munyai. Munyai. Now, grow in the pocket, Tadia, who per technicals. Different colors now, remember. Would you wear a good different colors in it? Put me to go to know what to say about me. Who grow in the who pay different colors now, effect. When you mediate now, so everyone saw both different colors and what not wrong colors, I am far. Mosialitina, when you mean, yes, I work or cast house here. No more discriminating. Yes, Christo, you discriminate. Kianka, missing them in the Chawadi. Kianka, a dumbi keke. Musunipa ya dumuni. Or no, any pound to me, money pan, or no more to me. Oh, you went to say. So what I say? Me carry a summer Peter. I'm an a coconolius fee. Na Jenny, Uncle Fuidi. Until so when you me. And they say, almost friend of trans was a or down when me each channel, no beer and Tomaka can more beer be with more catch and say Kukumnedi. A friend will be trained a Mr. Unami, a boy and you, a boy and into me, Kumnami, say, said what the channel did. Or perso chance I'm a memo for so bit much. Into Cocodolius to fee. By yet, Ushia fra friend age. Ubikura by Coco Wareno, or Cofa Trabi Biosai. A chua dear. Did you have a Ubecobi? We will say question, Ubecobi. The Washasi, Obin the buyer can because of trouble be our cover. Ubecobi, me offer this edge maybe, and never woo. Sabre, I'm not saying question. Because on Sakra. Ne baby coaching chini kushia frafreni. Papa no for bete ne bano. Ha koko to kucha ne banidi. Koko chem say where. And ne o te this we na. So Jesus o consider. Kayankam. We don't deserve to call ourselves Christians. As I say, in Ukraine, so we are called Matthew. Nesro, Esro, Abosan, so Esro. Now we are man Sambana. So he have sympathy for, he sympathized for us. Minumi no boss kaya boy say yen chi an kwhye katna sasiso na ubreso na wu ni a chew ni edu akoguji ni a chew usu ni mfaso adumbe na kwa Nigeria ni kura ba ko ware no ani yonko Nigeria ni no won cheke na onye Igbo ni a osimi pe Igbo I was saying Igbo, I was saying Igbo, while it's a man neck or so becomes so now, what you do, what deeper life. You see? Yea, Nanka and come, me prove what. Last me preachy, me say YouTube, because I'm a boy, some a boy dear. I don't know, a betom, me yakwan ye quotations natural. Tis a me boy dear, into Bible won't can. tine Bible ne be kasa so what you say me mo misiri mu ha enkansem de me hu ye no me nka nti bo ho na mra na ma me kwan na me kasa ne betom na me kasa Bible ne chese me hu nti na me kasa so what you say me hu nti na me ka ho asem obi se wo boa obi se mama no toa you lie onya kukoduro se me boa onya power etimi aka chem se me boa kam me si kan wo me kame kwanyam chaba yi me free moche kan wo order for me be chere ode ne nti se ne wo fro Kristonia why you careful so it is a mama ne to nyu wo se amanfrafo nka yi ni chefa ye die na nka ye oban na chi oya aheman ni asofo kanya mama wo ko hia frafrani ni efre na sibi na de ne be kofia na de ne koye me ebo so Jesus Christ hia frafrani ya tene hatena no fan afeni efre na sofo on disco on yi mu so what you say wo ko hia abakule ofri frafra memba ya wo de ne be kofie so onkoye o gate man wo fufu kakra ba Yesu die frem kofo ye odo mba ahim sister Jai the man don't discriminate nanka ye nka ho nanka ye freye mkramai ma dogs na bo bi na kira bo bi nti ene ye beka ho bibi ne siye ene ma me nu mienu ye yitimi be bie ya no eka Abba Father nti ne so fra hu Kristonia ne so wabrabo mu nsem ye yie ma wa hweye na wa ho so de hun kunkun fi suru bedum wa hweye na wa ho na wo nka ho sika be na nka papa na ma mbitimi atia sister busia be na wo klom ne ko tale kura mu futuru ko tale mu na nka pesa light e bakuru mu nti ka wo ho de wo san kuma se wo na nka wo ba wa be pede ai so adumbi aso yeso adumbi aso yeso ini tu ko nkutu de ma da Christ as what you say ebe kan wasa the Bible no ko Luke chapter 14 Luke chapter 14 verse 16 going eba be kire wade di ntia ye be kan ahene mam di ntia bi no mienu ye ba be kan ahene ma no kin kan brofo no mi wi amabe smith me di twi na kwa me ho mo atia Luke chapter 14 verse number 16 me bon tofa cause me kasa me kan it tells some Luke chapter 14 no or say Jesus attends a banquet mami kan 16 ka crunch on me wi abon tofa or say Jesus said to him a man gave a large banquet and invite many people. When it was time for the banquet, he sent his servant to tell those who were invited, "Come, everything is ready now." Maybe no setting banquets or topen. No inviting and call for. So mama. To see bibia wie ya no soma ne nko ani bisa monko ka kire mo say yes bibia ya ready, everything is ready to go. Aduane ni bibia ya set table kama o mo mara 18 I see everyone asks to be excused. The first said to him, I bought a field. Obi a yatopuna, ibi aye ready, yama mo invitation. Aye be frem obi aye ready awie. Aye asoma se me frem afa na excuse su bam. Or see, everyone asks to be excused. The first said to him, I bought a field and I need to see it. Please excuse me. Back where you know free invitation no or disappointed. Another one said, I bought 5 pairs of oxen and I am on my way to see how well they plow. Please excuse me. Another one so I be excusing yourself. 20 no was say. Still another said, I recently got married and that's why I can't come. But I so be excuse you ono so se maware enti mintumi ma me pa chaw. 21 was say the servant went back to report this to his master. Sasemwe na Yesu Kristo o kasa no di bube o di chirade. Then the master of the house became angry and the wolf pa. I quite remember me a wedding. Me inviting kofu bi no na nkof particular people be na I really want them to be there. Now excuse me omo de ba in fact me ya pa me bu fui pa. Kame fa fun crack kama dwe na me kunna oso jojo makoma. Because na me ya. Me share ka ya bona each person. Obia each person ye check aduane no each person be ekoso ye be $50 per person. The aduane a obedi ye check $50 per person. Na me check baby a yakoje Hyatt Hotel downtown. Enye komo. Ye cheese kakese for even the banquet nye komo. Na o ka kire me se bibi ntumi ma. Mbu be fu pa. Mi kwa mi nipa mi dwaye o. Mi dwaye papa. Fe mi da o kwa na me kasa. Enti no la kwa. Ya fremu nipa boka fremu. Ya ye dada montuma nka na dada mi amfo bi kura nhyem. Ready to go afem ma be je won muna and I cannot make it. Some fun be kura na nipa bi di disa. Metwa pa. So if he became angrier, he's right. At the yes, we prepare table. You set up a banquet, expecting people to come. Nobody be you one. The people that you expect, they cannot make it because of the things that their own selfish desire. They cannot make it. Or see, he told his servant, run to every street and alley in the city. Bring back the poor, the handicapped, the blind, and the lame. What would the excuses anybody and a servant in the beginning of catching the master say? Uncle, we invite one. We see what Kawari, we see what on the Fubi, we see why you say, we see why you want to me, man. Papa is disappointed. None of both. Table you see your set here, I was sending partners on the Suyama. Till your catching and go and Semon Quabontin streetiness. And patching in the frafo, aquataphone, Uncle Samumra. They don't deserve to be on that banquet. They don't deserve to be on that table. But he's sending them to go get them. Some coffin in me know. You become awesome. Oh, what's it? They say, me drew him. Bring back the poor, the handicapped, the blind, in the line. 22. No, the servant said, sir, what you are ordered has been done, but there is still room for more people. Yes, I did not still like when the man. I was here feeling a lot of people. Table no, be so that. Then the master told his servant, go to the roads, Sako Street is so, and the path. Urge the people to come to my house. and I want it to be full. I can guarantee that none of those invited earlier will be tested any food at my banquet. Omo we invited omo earlier, no? None of them came. Omo mo, except for Bani or no any dim. The people in dear summer, no. They refuse to come home and eat. Ntinese was see a kwa bonte, near kwase sampache, and if rafo, ye didn't care ayarefo. Ye didn't care in deserve see quatnase, that banquet no, and yet precious people net now. And you particular net now, and no to said in dear. Kian come, Nanso ba o momenti, no dear before. Sesiti we will be done pine. Munko bonte na woman may invite woman. Minimum woman, Munko fra woman, fill it with you, ma. Omone, unya dajia. Kinkai, Luke chapter 14, Nina Kusitri. Ube, you know, you will get me. A brentin to me, Kinkai Nina. So what I say? Nti nanka ya wabayinechi, nanka ya nkahu, ya manfrafo nanka ya nichefa. Ye bibinti, and ye replacement. So what I say? Ye replace it because of some people who are more so arrogant. The things that they do, papano, some are set a table. Some ramidity. Na breno so ye ni akokaka mo se mawie bibia ye kama na mo de nsem bi yi mo no no mo pesa me table no ho da mpan nipa makọ han wo mo so mo menu aduane ye seti table mesiesie mi fie na nka me wo bibie mo ntimi kura mfa mo ni ama mehwe mo de bibia yi mo ho no ene yesasadia the people who don't deserve awo mo gu kwa no ebi wo ye fi ebi wo ye tan mo kwasesa wo mo mra clean them and let them sit and eat. Nti surprise food. Tu sa bi ye surprise o kotra on ma na hotel. Tu o mutu se o mutu te akunda ye pa ye ni. Etu ye ni pa yi. Wa ahwa hafe. O tu so obi kura be ebo wura on no. Nko nya nko ba wi ofo say sorry. Enya hwe hey o sitra say feel comfortable. So what you see, that's us. Yay amamemufo yeye nkrofobi anu yiye energy a wo manji Yesu Kristo enwudi wo ni munti a wo fra wo mo se wo mo medidi e wo ne pono so no mudi sembi yi wo mo no na ama yeye be feel gab no. Sambi o Bible. Thank you Jesus. Sabi o Bible no. Sabi o Bible no kon Luke chapter 9 verse 16. Luke chapter 9 verse 16. Achawade. The Bible must say Luke chapter 9 verse 16. Luke chapter 9 verse 16. Then he took the 5 loaves and the 2 fishes, looked up to heaven and blessed the food. He broke the loaves apart and kept giving them to the disciples to give to the crowd. All of them ate as much as they can, as much as they wanted. When they picked up the leftover piece, they filled 12 baskets. Ahaso abra Yesu Kristo the panunu ene se mpatam yinu e feed 5,000 people na mamemu ni bia nka ho. Oti ase o feed 5,000 people na ye manko a na nokra 5,000 people no mo kan no na ye ememma nko na ye kan ho ya nkan enkola ene emma anka ho. na mama mu fo nka ho Israel for and you feed you almost 5,000 people no you feed you almost bread no omu no leftover no brofo say leftover pieces leftover no asiem fufu wa na kae no no omu tase nkantama dumienu nti mana didi ame and you dey be supply amama mu fo nti mana didi ye no nti amama me na sam na okaye na bam wose mame enye fe si e de maduane e man kraman ma wose na kraman ni de mane didi wi a asiem fufu wa no e ma no so wo ho kwaso wo dibie nti leftovers na pano na ye di ma ye di feed ni pa 5,000 leftover pieces na ka ye na ye tase nkantama dum yenu no ene ye de mba mamam nti ye asiem fufu wa ini di ya ene yesu ye frɛ ye hu nyankopɔn ma ti mane na didi wie yo na asiem fufu wa e be ka mienu nsa leftover na aduma boa me no nti wo ya mama mu ni na ofra ho Kristo ni a be wise so what you say e ho so nya dade a kenkan ni nyina e mane di me nye komode wo mo no ne de bre wo mo me ni etase asiem fufuru a nkantama dumi no sem ya mansaba kwanyam chaba mo so mo mrai na mo medibi nan kaduane ne nyɛ dia e mane didi me ye no leftover pieces ni e kase fom de ene ye de bre me no miru si ni nyanko oh thank you Jesus Christ say ni nyanko Sako Matthew chapter 15 verse 21 nemi yi no one by one ni wi aya to aso Matthew chapter 15 verse 21 15:21 Sako 15:21 Mama first started 20 yeah. It tells us was the faith of the Canaanite woman. Was Jesus left the place and went to the region of Tyre and Sidon. A Canaanite woman from that territory came to him and began to shout, "Have mercy on me, Lord, Son of David. My daughter is tormented by a demon." But he did not answer her. But he did not answer her at all. Then his disciples came to him and urged him, send her away. She kept shouting behind us. Jesus responded, "I was sent," listen to this one, "I was sent only to the lost sheep of the nations of Israel." I was sent to the lost sheep, to the nations of Israel. Mamine tim David Iba, humimobo, David Iba, humimobo, ahombonia capture me baba, Mr. Humimobo, wasi, wemfino. And Tishio for the band was master, fee mammy no, who you did you dear chino. No, said Debbie. Israel memunkwa and mankwan chain and your sumami. Tieni pao. Insensi hobi. The fear of one cook or gin, so won't fee mammy, your kind 24. Or so Jesus responded, "I was sent only to the lost sheep of the nations of Israel." Sorry. What? I was sent only for nations of Israel. Nti woyede ko hu kasapin be frɛ wo. Nti the woman kai. Ti the woman kai eba. 25. She came to him and bowed down and said, Lord, help me. Mamine to me ka be bunku to do with Yesu anim. Se wade boa me. Tio, na be fi asem wo ka che disciples no kwa yen sentie. Na fi se bia Yesu be fere maame no. Ti di osaka. Jesus replied her, obunku to de no. A wo pa ne chaw no. Mwaya Yesu di man ni. Jesus replied her, it is not good. Or say, it is not right to take children's food and throw it to the dogs. Unyasa kukudrui, semamya no choko butu Yesu anim. David bavu me mo bo me pa chaw. An boni akata me bayi. Osi enye fe. Mami, e wo so wo be butu m'anim de. But enye fe o, si eni madi ani man kraman ma. If you disciples no kwan wakacha omo say Israel fi nkwan ye soma me mon koma ntum na mmesem yenko ba ma me nya kokudru be butu nanim no wo boss no wo hye no se ma me enye fe si e di magiane e man kraman enye fe so mpa ma mu duane esimba ho na kraman me bay free school ba didi na matam me bay edu na me makana man se woni me nye wa hu ma me no nkoto sere ne mobra no wo ye ni nisio no wusu ne ni ase no wo chichie wa woni ma se di sisu itimi kura di su di ade onya prepre ne ni ase kakra bia no na me ne ma di nkomo no wo ka se mbi kire me na me ka se nipa bi wo ho no ma onware ya wuhia na ase o we di onware wo ye good pa. At the moment of a warrior, when no banner journey ever can boom. Or Pobani bit to master upon near maybe was so ya. A first no one yet. Ye also be suka crabby chicken and yes, and no becca sacasade, when we will, bra. Or do cockra cola. One house. One assy wound chilling and idiot obey a small boy. So what you say, Mamma Kusun is yes to Christ and yes, small boy. He stand on his ground and tell her, say, and yes, sir. See the magiane. Tiwa ose me boano. Quotations na mi ko tutu won. Tiwa so wo Bible numa. Koko hwem. Na afi wo wi a be ka kire me say baby e chiro ye nem say obi na chiro ye onhu dio enka ho. O se enye fe. See the magiane. E man kramai. Ma me ne mo. Ko to sabi. Was it fair, Mammy? What do me come to me? Who shall to me? David, the man few. What do many could dress up to me? A young mobile, and your foe. See the Magi and the man cramai. Nefe, Jamanim now Kutukotono, then you first see the Magiane and defending cramai. You get your mammy here. Me and Cambuffui. Me, sister, Grandma, what you can work our boof. Me and come me bet you break in my head now, bra. Now, crowd won't do it. Teacher say I am Cramima, and I watch Shroud dear. Monya pa, Musa is a for Monya pa. Just see the pound. They said them go for me. Echotus will be see what in your mini powers, just say, Mona most of them was in Yamenko for ye in Yamin on. No, I can't imagine a channel. So the woman did not do that. She showed respect. She showed humbleness. One show payback. Who did not walk upon him. Oh, dear, na papa de bit near ye. Into a man as some kind of moon of them. Or try quite be as so being a papa anymore. This is what the woman did. 27 was she said, "You are right. Ayampa. Sister can one be or not, or can't stand and open down here. Kabong will be a best sound to one. Kadano, can you be in a bay bazaar? But let's see what that woman did. 27 was it? She said, "You are right, Lord. You are right, Lord. But even the dogs eat scraps that fall from their master's table." Then, was it? She said, "You are right. But," was it? "You are right, Lord. But even the dogs eat scraps that fall from their master's table." Nkraman. Almost to meet dim frufru wana. Omo master di nkraman so master. Eye no kore dia wo kan no. Na mum se nkraman di wi ya na ayi e mani di wi di frufru gu from nkraman so almost to me fa bi poje o. Almost to me di bi. Upita ni ti wani di natam. Yesu su chenenim wan fere no wo kan di obeka kire no just to see the outcome. Se mame no ma homa so wura no a keno ano no. Because ka bi di be free na no aba ne kenye. Keno ano no was any chance. But what you so can say, "You are right." Eye no correct. What you say, "Bo Jesus." Oh, wow. Emphasize mama kan mama be peda ni ti no kaka bi a kire me no mesuafo yi. Ba wo peda ni ti hwe se du sika sam. O sa fra me Lord. Ti na hwe se wo se bibi wo me mu. Okay. 28 was it? Then Jesus answered her, "Woman, you have a strong faith." Yes. Woman, you have a strong faith. Ujidi mu edu papa. Oba. Ujidi mu edu. What jini dintino. Wa madi obeka bi emu na bam. What Jesus Christ di. O friend the Lord. O husu wo yenyame. Nti die papa ne kai bi ni wa. Ebu na bam. She keeping on. And then the Yesuka was say, "What you wanted will be done for you." The opposite is you know, or say at that moment her daughter was cured. Hallelujah. At that moment, or cast a year no, not mammy ne bano, ni what tom. Imagine. Say ya menu me no. Ubi to ne boise. Asha meni makacha me say. Not wa. And yes ye we di a media ne di manka. Me ba ya yo. Ma ba un chain. O si yes say ye di media ne manka mai. Me ba ya me ho me te. Ma toba ha. Na me saba wani mo be pen wani ma dum sa we hili. Na wa se di matama kan. Why you be from just me ye kama na ma wo. The faith that woman have. Easy. So ne. Ubi kwa sorry. No ubi na ya kasakasa. Nye Yesu no ne ya kasakasa. No ojina nipa ne no masama okaya. Enye Christ ne be jina ne nim kayo. Osi asore no mejai. Sister, brother. Nye yentin wo ba yo. Aya dumbi. Aya dumbi keke. Na so ye so. you know. Nti Diana ne si wo sei. One ni Diana na ne man, ni ye ne man o mugu ne ho. Ti man di nsem hunu no, na opempan wo mo, na ode ye aye replacement. Enye ye ni dia kan no. E man kan no, nye ye nya, ye de super glue asoso ne ye de ateta ne ho. Nti mami ano to amemeti yi. Na me wo ba, me hwe me bai kama. Na kola ndi nkosese me se me hwe ne biem. Na me de ebufu akofo obi ba, se me ba be hwe no. Na de meme obi ba na meme kofa ne se me ba be hwe no. Wo be din sensema e chai de me ba ne ye na me pamo no na de ne besie. Aso ba tan. Brother sister me busa akoshin. He de ne besie. Me ba wo ye mi moja, me nya badaye, boni e wodi yiti ma pamo no. Na wo ama be de wa replace me ba no, ka wo nya mi moja asem binti. Ana ma fa na me de wa replacement. Wo ba ya de me ba ne ya me pamo no wo be ya ma na borso nti akwa wo be ka fi da emmaso da. And so now look at Christians. Amamemufo ye kire ye ho chen bibia. Amamemu ni nya dom kakra jai Nigeria fo ya ho mo ye tibi the red carpet se ebinom do mo ni butu fam. Ebinom ni butu fam sofo ba odifo ba yekom. Woman anymore, a worship on the swing me, precope. Woman casta with proudness. They speak arrogantly. So what you say? One way you go find a replacement, you know. They speak arrogantly. To me, cancer woman did me the cancer since you. Madame, who Mikaela Sinchira Sofubi was wo me was wo Branamin Konam from Monsieur Yadi. We Shegubanza pa. Miss Baba to me, me no D4 one nobody. Mr. We Shegubanza. Mr. Branamin Kun, let me for push your phone count, let me found from Monsieur Yadi. Packet to Musukoko. Look at the way they talk arrogantly. They talk as if like that. They SSR himemu Safwano. Mrs. Bibini ne kutana kanko. Ikuma, ushia software down to earth. Ushia bruni software. Me say baptist ya. Asorika krakao. Sofuna. Ona ne here. To be mecha ya ultimate treat keke. No driver no aba. Me wife asma mi o. Ye twam ne to treat kakara de bramo one nkwala no mumuni. Last snow ato bibia na me ya na me from me friend no pick here. Do you need something? Are you guys home? Because of the snow you can't get out. What can I do for you? Can I go get you something? Suffocation. But Ghana, this pastors, they don't me say, what do baby call friend on fa? They careless on farm. Obeban in China was a consultation. One first come to a Yesu Christ na yedi yedene cha ye kwano. Wano die, wo body die bibia just wo do sika. Wo be do software ni ma just away appointment. It sika kese before you get there. Bucket Usukoko. We are so proud. Nti adom no be ya enche ewe mamemu foso. Why you do baby kakrebi no mamema no so. Ti na me catch am so mo hu se mame no to ayi sei. No wan won me na mame ko hia. Me no wo case. What to me say yade tipaye ye funu yade no wo hye nkom ba ko mienu ne bamua hey wawie ade ba ko a me de peso for Wasama to the leveler. Me am a woman, the way the man or Shiawa no is a bruni, or who a collar, no one in good to go from only a colonic Sana Papani, including the wife. Last cried and make a chain. So, mammy, me had general was a. O Syria crown a me fen. Hey, what's the Mr. Star? O Cassa am dessert. Nam sister, oh, me was all missing that. Look, what if we be now? Doma when you media dum papa, umunya ya me say. Go fiti kutia no ba, nye kasem kwani di nanimo. Nipa da se ni yentwem frifie ni mebutu kwan no. Ya fie ni mebutu fam ni worship no. Come chiro. Nipo nti last na post nti eye day because of proud arrogant sister ye replacement bra nti be wise. Be wise. Kawo eya dumbi keke nti ye dia ke bi you nka ka wodi ye ne wo sie so ye ho ukoto se mani ye bibia nka nko ka ye boko ka ye boko and I dig somewhere wo eli o ayi odif eli fie na so fu eli ma eyi ni mofunu Samuel amfa na ho amfra eli ma ene o ma mo the same brand wo hu ne wo se ye de na ba obesom. He did not do that. But ye mama mufo. Nigeria for crowd omuya mane omuya proud mane ye fe. Omutumi ye proud ma utumi se ade na mo anti proud na mutumi ye mane ye fe sa no. Ne Ghana. Ukushia so for penibia. Consultation jisu trio. Line di so se bi no mo $. So be kona adom no we frase na dada e da no so keke so ye sofo na wonya nim ni biom wo be kum no na sa sofo kakaka no wonya nim ni biom arrogant nkien ayeme deo some who sadi we. Eyame de some who nti me ye careful. Eyame de some who nti se me hwe na me no who say no, I'm not to remember. You find the ani ye do what we entire ho. We super glue. Nti be wise. Be wise. And we ye bri obi hwe adom na gunim nese prodigal son koye no oji ne japade koye de obeye meba oba ne papa pamon oba e mibusa o ne papa pamon nti se man ni ba wo ho so because wo kuntunu wo mochi fra wo mani mama mamunya fo nya nkwaje se obeyi ntuma dan na firi wa mo ni bie and they will cry and come home papa no beje wo mo nso ompamo nti wa ye de water ho be wise en wo nkonkron na ye de aso wo no ma wo je da no en ho ne were enye bibi ma ne nya ho don't do it enye bibi a be ma ne ja ho don't do it so ho sakana nanka wonka to be nya dom kakra bia nya sam ketwa obi pai bo nyina ne so nya me fa na dom no no awrade bi mani na mentimi hye nkom na mentimi nye wei na mentimi nye wei me mo pai mfa sade no me mo because preaching sakrawaje esum busi obi a obi yare no wasane yare ayare sade ebetwam so what you say preaching no bi nyanko e no susum bu pa because the sansama me bobo so wunim na adom no ye de mawa be se firi wonsa to go how bo so wo bompai nkonkron bra me so sister wa we o wo de mawo ntamo a o hwese de wusi gira hona wo de bawo so ntamo a arrogant nti at the end of the day wo be fira adom nase to wo to ne bo am wo bre te se wo ba wo pa wo no wo bre so many years nti wo nya baba ko a omfane ni agoro do untia tu so na okunkutu de redo nkonkron misrobra meso utimi bompa esa ofisa oda obenya bi oh. He wants you to work until you go to the level that he wants you to be. Until somebody has a carpet, then he will give it to you. Until somebody who's your because usikani usika. On pesa ni sika mfama neba wa mre unim se de bresiti. America for ne kan was teach her how to fish. Nko yi fish na mfama mre no unim de bia. Kira ne se ni sikonsu nko yi na. Wo sika ne de nsesa mane ni kira ne se ni sipi sika na unni ho a. Di kura na anhia mana maye mobo. Ti mu bebre ho o person wo hwe to the level bi obi hu se wa bafam no what niema bi ase ne se wonkonko ne ba wa handle no with care no wanyaw ekwam no wanyaw ho akola bi anso ye different wotete ma nkola no bia ye different to onyame wonim ne ma wonim obia baby obetumi ahete ne de na koduru wonim kwa ofaso wo ha wo baya no hwi na dom na gu ne so nkonkon na egura no right away ti said your Paul at the ye I Damascus so right away now all of a sudden because he's ready to do the work obi so or to ne boasia show to the level be answer who say what the mountain tem ne be free wonsa cause nipa bebre nya e free wonsa say to just keep on praying and humble yourself to set carpet to oba ade a wo brenya no oba wo pekuna wa pekuna bo kunu mpa ya bo nyame ye na dum no nya kuna o megira onya hwe enye nya wale mbie kebegu shekai namne yesem onye sa oba wo bre pa anza no nya kunu no de bia ne yisa no ho kon o treat be ma ne yi papa na de na mema na bu ne so weiba o se na wo kra ne se ya jon kra na ni kru na ma story bi o se boy bi ano ne bobo ena o mo ye na guess o boy ni ko pegen o du on ma ye create say ese se de ya bo o hwe no so ne form sa o se o fa firi hoko ya jon kra shoe enra na shere na efecha udi o se fa firi akọ so what you say because we'll be watching on found. So what you say? Until we have to be or show. Ma would do someone in free, and when you get it, when you see who say, Uncle for me, dear grandma, want to move through Monsano. Would you won't fan ya grow, ya banner Jumaya, missing fan ya grow, ya banner Jumaya. It is what not to my young time, we be quiet. Upie baby, Uncle Park on any muntina, Uncle Tanato. No, when you mean I'm not to most some you are better any moon. Uncle Memma or better so to set Pharisee for Uncle Pepper, Nippany Madon, Minio, Unimiana. Me a friend who did for him to Unimiana, maybe a last stop, prophet or one, no, the one at Tommy so. One, we are one. We are number right? No, dear Tony Hosono, no, I mean, man who saw no, until Hunko show and now we end with Bowasu. nti wo de adom kakra na wanya no wo de fa nkofo yere no wo de fa o de buru nyaman o de fa nkofo yere no no de bu o de je nkofo ne ma firi wo nsam afei adom na firi no so afei no obedane amroba afei no obedane amroba udru na so dem obedju mu sika nyina ma de o de be fa kakora wo nya bi ba yesu ye ni anda ho eni nyame asama yenhie nti no ni amankofo wi no mu ye bukata especially ma ye ji sika mi yetimi se wi ye kunu mu sika sa de koma wo yetimi wi ye kunu mu sika esa de kokoma wo se monye na mo sanye ye bukata ni nkogem mi hu ayi o de say abrancho mo friends obofo musika no mo correction na wuti joma wo ye masom entosi ni bi o wo sa me woku wo ntosi ni peche wakofa bode eni ntosi akoma dan amontosi no ka na be se wokwamu peche no a wo ba ye wo de age fufufu sika kakra wo nya ye no wo de akọ de say ayi obofo amana ji e de akoto oboso mfre no phantom Rolls Royce brand new 2019 no demu no wan sakra so huku akohye ye ji musika wonya shem komba komienu ne ba TV so wash you wash Christ brand wash Christ ni ye binum bukata yensu nyame asamunti yensu nyame asamu sankofu mu bi ni wa kasakra wadwinchiri nipa no mudi yesu di ato o ma na hantai ni bunkofo faso ti obi tie kira o se ne nyame mu kura wo ba ti so wo ba no wanya wo bi good teacher ama na nkyira no say nyame sum ya wa ba mu ya woyo ye nya hantai wa habiem oyo sa wo ya hantai na wo pe wu a wo benya oyo wo pe wasema wo benya ye nya hantai wo Kristo ye nyebi wa ha Kristo ni bia na ni ate wo pe heaven akọ wo sonson ne ho wo sonson ne ho kanu to aka me nam frefrefrefre me ko program na ka me ti play first class ya tie for na me aha medru eye de se me ko Australia medru Sydney almost flight na medru eye ntino I'm blessed. Life is good. Jesus blessed me so much. No me try me the video attack to my go. Nanko force so hypocrites no so boma paso. Oh, you are so blessed. Oh, you are so play na me timu no. Enemy to quality. I'm so blessed. Nso bi ana nipa o yes oni nkwa. Oni nkwa. Ni e peje madam. Oh, madam. Nigeria foot to you mti adi miso eye. Oshiawa. Good morning, ma. Good morning, ma. Nyankotokoto. Says the idea to tell me, sa no mutie. Oshiawa, when you need to good morning, ma. Good morning, sir. Sa no moye. So what you say? Kabana coming in nam. Me we give guma wem, ma friend. Me declare kabi me ma me reverend, me pastor, me way. Na me do ya to me so. Afena me connect myself. Frame me wa sorry. Na me mna mu se ma me no to eba ni yes schedule de dia mama preach say. Ma ko ja me preach me so manui ma japo me yabo wa mu me chimiska ma pa ko nya bi atna so. Wa on pese me ka ko nya su be cheska na yi me free so. Aha be cheska. Me yi me ho. Sika kunu sika besa. Kame wi no ma jiwo mo e wa sori dem ho oh me so me de komo de me ji akebe oh na my parents kura be ma wo betua bra me sika betua o me se wo pa wo po ka betim ka betim show shirt sam si bra na wo betua 1 million bra we say wo betua $500 because I can see the richness is smelling on you bra won ni wa me wo se wo ye defo pa ba wo mpesa wo be kire sana unya de tu ni timu se no anu no wakunu wo mo se akro de baba betu ko mo de bebe ji sika mi aka se oho But in Shiranka, where they say, I learned from a good teacher to be wise. No mean you're wise. And yes, sir, the same people, they will use their mouth. You are blessed. Yes, I know my answer for you. Prophet wife, you may. Nti adom ne friend so age so kodie duru nya ba wan na be friend prophet one ka wan na be friend prophet one ti afi wo se satan bo wurem se no twa wo se di wo sitie no afi na asofofo ni bi ene me whisper wa chire nti me ni baba me ho so na me sa buru nyoman ka me ni baba me ho so no oh me se ka so wo ye de so aka me di wo kunu beko Kame sodusu ne fefefe. Afe so for brobe, what ya so dem on e wo so na ntibinka. Me bosso no mabo bamba ta hanya. Wo di agro na se manfa cancer nsinse wi mu a. Wo be mo bosse. Na mabo hanya. Enu abi ni di kum kofu yi. Sa wo ti ase se, wo ye dua bi humire, bakati hu sukoko. Kana mai funu bi. Adum binti eni yajewa ubehweye na wa efrise onyame na duma ra akwa na wuti senia wuti emawu wire mfi onyame a oyiwu firiwa wamanie imu Mrs. Awabrabo Munsemi, eye mawa, heye, nawa, efise, onyami, naduma, arakwa, na uti, senya uti. Omo yosi hu hambo mesu mumu ye Christopher. Ye na wosi breye honse. And yet, was he arrogant da? Yet, was he a buffo? To be whom musicians, if you remember whom you know, no one Peter Mumma. Let me slow my woman. So. Nkoju onim me na wo be nkonenam nkofo ni so na nipa kra wo ye wura bebiba woni munyam frito fre no odura wo ya ho hihye bebiba woni munyam kra frito so what you say nipa bia wo ya ho hihye bebiba so won cha wa dan fofam and you will be and don't many who you are. Men could never be calling me and meaning the past messy. No, let the people know by themselves. When your menace who you appear, he will let the people know. Sawuni. Obama ni pane who do our baby also. I'm woman. Don't fish for it. I'm a memo for you're very careful. And yes, sir, a manu bow. You're careful. You're so sorry. What? You're so sorry. Oh, yeah, hunter, you see it for yourself. You see it. For yourself. And my Christos sumunity and your hunter. And yes, I will never persuade John Quan, or be brewa sima, obey a mobile. Obey me the area ball. Obey to mamma pay a mobile or for food. ade ba ko misuru no obetima mo abaye mmobọ yare anka wo se eni kwase ebobo no way mmobọ just to use that to humble you. Nti please nanka yanka ho nanka ya oban na chi enwu se we superior enne se utimi hyenkom etimi hu obi asem ka kire na. That's not the end of the world. And non kire se wonya nkwaje. Se utimi hu obi asem ka kire na and no ma will take it. So don't do that. No who be some catcher and who and kashi Missy Abrofui or my humbleness money fekeke. The way humble pa I was so way so for fekeke. Obejire ni pakesi ni papa ya make us obai sofui onya wo ma mehu wei me hye wo nkom mi ontis wo manye sa first service okwa nipa bocho second service okwa nipa bocho owia odi kan bi dire ni mu ho chia obi a emunkola Ushia kola osumu, hey buddy, hey, how are you? No chiao. Mwasofo akakraka yo mugu nkan. Na wo be de wa be no nan kampese, wa fa de wata no bo. Wona de yire Kathy, sofo mama Ghana sofo mama. Hey. Nsu Kathy, hey, Jeff. I'm calling to ask, are you guys okay? Is everything fine? Is everything fine? Oh yeah. All the kids, are you guys doing good? Yes. Yeah, we are going around and we want to come here and say hello. How is everybody? No. So for mommy, you. Your money here, yes, your money is no. If you need something, but why Africans? You refuse some of your mama was here 19. Yani refuse 19 and me your host sana. Can I share your boy? Was me a suffer, me a prophet. Nema me penimukra no didn't at them. Mubatan manamu yumra, your poor son of Tiansa, no more was said. I mean, I can cancel a sham combi. I wonder who yes, they wrong. Wouldn't say the whole some moon out in wrong. I would wrong. Nipper passes so cry, nay, pampam. The body guides no more your basamasa. Ne papa so no man the body guys to say and you mafunubi I said the way I know anyone can be that so for wait a minute ma me size so for wait a minute ba won chain Mr. Asimbi ha me pa wo hwe maame no na wa wi ni maame no si obi si tuntu maame no so young girl oda ne kam osia obeto ne bo asia man ti ebinom ti aso dem o ti echi wono wana ne sesum na no hwe de ekoso wona wan ko ben sofo nti adom no enkwanu wo beje bidie sabre yi me ka Yesu Kristo ti be bi enkola ne ba ne chai ene so fa mu be master hu fi me se mo o se mo ma mo fra ne kwano mra me nchen na yeyinim sei no soro henie ye wondia o se yusu nkola nde kasa kire won nso nkola ne ba no sei mfa firi wonko mo ko didi futuro magro mo be master ho fi hon so konkan big ones no mo titi TV so na de bo hu musio nefa wo futuro magro na wudi ni ko gira won na enapa body guys be bo afofo mo wo ma me kwa yi piano to ache na wo nti bede na che ebede na jiji eduru ne no so ahanta nti adom no be firi won sama mo kwaje eduru e firi won sa so wo mpese nipa be hu se firi won sa nti je sa wo kwaje attachment na de touch eno no owi a na be fere no ho prophet one ba Kristo ni papa bi open kwande obre no ho asiu onye rough misika kabaina koma mama ni prophetess already koma unka kameye false prophetess mitimika say oh kenu no so what you say mitimika say eno se koma ko woro me nase ne mensa no mama me poma ne bi ne di chensi bi egu mi kom na me chatintintin ne simitiri so yes ya odin afena me mo refri akoka ma wire me ne chi se funa yikosie no mapentie ma no ye say go me betira me yi me nsase me se me shanko ko mo bi me ni by force ishiran ka urade say me hu ne ntam ntu usu hunu mo ye guy wa abonten yesu ni won oso odoma ho brasefo no si hantan fo kwa nti me so my sister kakra na ye nyane ye ni bebre mo ye ni diatem ye nshanko me ba yes eni mo nyam ka urade ye nshanko yate kakra bi na ye ni mu no ye mfa nhyehyɛ kire ha mfa ye kwase am panyi nkere the little bit that we know ye nye no boko nhyehyɛ kire ha ni ye mfa ye kwase yi kakra sei ni ye mfa mpanyi nkere nye sani ye yadum ye nim si ye kopa wo mani mu adom a wo mo be false prophetize ye be ye chimbede o mbe ma ye chimbede me kai mi sister kunu ba ko o Italy o tini ya de ma ne yesere se was woni mi fitin collaborate na mi sister was wonyini ntino first mi chakra me na mo bi fi se ne ba na me ayeze me ne ama but there be ama de me na yes sisters mi sister na nyini nti mi di na chia na obi fi se ne ba nti ya wo se ne ba ti nipa bebre ko mo fi se mi sister eye me ma me mum na ni kunu no obi a we businessman sika baby sika wodi o se is it you just a principal ni o se me yenum ko bia sorry bi ma ona fei o sha se ye aduma so o no na me say bra sante baby I want you na no just be principal we see so da mama ne correction me ngwadie dia wo nyine ho you see udi agro wi ase be mo ye chimbede afena ka arrogant no gi afe messi ma sorry afena me ni asofofo yi bi fake one see lenke tu be ha me wa me se me di me di kaselu wo Ghana for the woman chi oba kokoi na oba kasama ba kamu kunu no munue ka o mbe ye miselua ka setan de me ye evangelism time ti ye fai kakra na yinimu no wo de ye ma wo monko tata mu play mu ne mu first class monko ye de mu ye ti kakra ya ye ti am boko monyo ya protect ye ho akopim se esro e de se popopo no be bom ye me pe obi esika obi entua yeka obi ama ye correction that's good onyame ma yaduani di eye ye obi esikati ye fa ye nkakra basi ye yadwe se ye pe kope wo mukase ni mbiada ni ya hantai se wiase mu ye dia ye no mbeba begina one scan ni nkwa misraupa mi paucha anya sa samaba ni enkawu e ya dumbi keke ubianso a nkunkun tini mu a wodi Yesu Kristo dinji sika no meseda Yesu beba obe fisika na ba sister obe fi wo de mumu nada bra you go throw mo Facebook unyi tight na ofa inni monzanko fo obe fi ni say fefefe obe ye mo odi ji innocent people sika ni di wa bro nyame from na ye that says the Lord na undi ube preach wia shakokom je wo no mes na shase ye hihya wo nkom na jeje wo musika wa chire da ube tese trumpet na bono you true ntina obi ka kire me wo se mame takura de na funko ni fribaye wo se nkofo bi de menimu jinko mi oye menima me so obi oye wagadreg obi odi na daje obi sika minye bi da na minye bi so da tu obi nim no odi menim ba se mame no twa ase wo pesika me pesika ko yehu minsi asoro da menye sofo adum bi na so me so keke no nyame ma me ketrema ye de kanasem tu obi abeka kire wo me kro wontumi hwe me nko anware me onyame ntimi hwe me nko amfre me papa no otumi hwe me minna komoda since me ba wari ase we a hard working man o ma komo ne me no one se sabre djuma ngumi so ma me nye stress out o make sure say me ho high me okay nti me ye bibia mfiri babia se me ko ye baby free babia na me ye ni brefo na me ni nso eno nso nti me ni brefo nti no nyame so hira me kunu na de bia wonye bia ma me so what you see o hira no wonye bia ma me nti se me ko ka bibia kire obi ana me ko dada obi agini sika na me ye ni brefo na me good Jesus animase last brother be free e kwa be so mame wo pay number dia yitimi de send this cabra wo ayi bi na me se bra me nye obi adwuma na mabeje obi a hoska me ni no me bia e de send sika faso na me nye madwe so se me beje obi asika ti me srawa pacho obi amfa me adwuma waye na adwe so obi tua me ka boso me e kwa Satan faso ye na de wo sheda de obi be so hwe sisika nti na otewa utumi yesa nti eba no oh yeah bra we dey Christ we dey me that sepa nti for we dey me srama momwa me so unse me tia me preaching nyina ne ma bi ho ma me pese me kan me srama ya momwa me kakra so montomo bodo mu nsuani na dachi we dey make sure say make sure you pay your tithe make sure so kwa so be to your offering make sure so unwie nyame ne 10% of na de man na ya doye nko bi woni bi hu no waye na doye me no ni tua meka because no one wafa madwuma so what you say de me yi onyame ma me o ma kom ne me o ma me ye lala sulala nti so obi de ma me no to anim ba so o si manisika oboa me nye bida na me nye bisu na me yesa kwa me gu mi kunani mase can my husband will be disappointed mami ne dey say you stress ade ti ze say mo be preach mo be ye preachers na say mo stress ade on can my husband will caution me cause me go nani mase wo kwan so se sika bi be di mensam na nya wo nim ho hwea otumi caution me se sika ne free nti me ye wise yo me de me kwase penyi mani abre o New Jerusalem ho mi pebia ko nti me mpo bi obeye me wagadregi o ti me ni asofo mo ni brade nante me no mo ni nkomo mpo me no obi o ye toka to Rolls Royce to wait ni me no sam kofo no engri me betra me nyi obi akobo ni ne sempo so me ka kwan nya me fa so e boa me a e bebeje wonsem me ka kwan onyame me di o commande me ma madjuma na me ya me kuta lances se djuma ne mfata Kristo firi mu no afi wo hira me brotama na me ya djuma ne sika ebe sister I quite remember na misu me see rade America lances medium to hey na kroma won kuta lances a wodi ya djuma bia 1 hour me ko ponchi nzeni de be ma me rade I cry ba me tia se na me obey rules no o kire me sese nya me bra adwuma no se nya de na me ye na na hwe me on ne he nipa on ne body for no abohia ni o mo bi di hia no obi o mo bi so edi ye so what you say me won kire me tisu bi ba no be ye say ya me sa wo ye sofo na wo hwe me wo ye sampakani na wo hwe me hwe yi no ma sika ndi woni me be yi wo fradom na se sika yi Satan e be yi wo si fe e do wo fradom na sentam entam woni be ba ho so na nka ho. They use money to trap you. Or the sikabe trap will be you fe. Nti hweye na obi amfa sika trap no anyu. Satan hu se woni wo do sika obi yi wofre adom na sentam. Hunu se na wonka ho e adom bi na so. Enkwaji a wonya na yesum bu sika na dwete. Cherish that never ho aseda ma awurade. Na ye na djuma without pay. Nyesa na de sika ba bi wuremu a bra obeye mobo onyame ntimi we wanko amfrawo nti so de wanya no mu yi wo na mfiri wo nsa wo na kakra bi obeyi adom ne fra mamam wote o Israel for na shasi nyankon because ye ni krum they were apple of his eye. Through them we have Jesus Christ. Mary na chim no maye. Nti mano. E wo so munyankwa. Yes. Nti sawo nkofo bi a table no ni aba mpache ni frafo te se me no mienu a yenye careful. Empre wo ho table no ho nkokeka duane mu. Nyesa ye be wo wasi abonten. Banquet na yasate edi watena ho nanka won deserve no hwe yi no wankoye kurasini am ye nyi wan firi ho because ukoye frefrefe wo ha obeka sa ho anati wa wo ye no frefrefe munyi ni free table ho ahwa se di wo si didi no didi rough obema duane na ye ha nyina ma ha sai tisia to pon ne de wasi akonya no so a learn from the person who invites you di obeye o table no no so ye bi said you know did nyafu fie no mfa metena sa table no. Learn from the man who invites you and eat wisely. Did he so hineba? Na akoye frefrefre mediane waduane ko sampam table no so ye be yi wapie. Misra mi paucho. Mi jina onyankopon mu bro hu so. Obi be ye Kristo ni ankyere ne sa nyema we ya na hwease ene na dum na sifre e easy cause wo hu ne hu say it's over we ete say ejanka ayakofa na betene sikani fie oni obi a okọ na sikani ne maye ne ma bi bone a onya bi nyina so wo sonson no ho ne yetima we ni school yetima bibia nti sakola no bebre no ho asia ekire wo so wo no benya ware papa na esikafo ne ma no be ma no ya o na kua no mashatade ekia never no me be wini no ekia no ne ho fe afa wo se be ma no no wo hwe made no tifio ekia hire pe awaye nyina brother ni muni made na ball skirt se hye no no a woni nam ho no ono no wo hwe ti wonye sisu se wo me se made no person ware na ne ja to mu fio. Why? He's wise. Nti yenya wise. Ni intimate na uradi mu. Na Yesu Kristo e de arrogant ne baya ka Pharisee ye no awa etubam. Utumu se na wo hia Yesu Kristo ni Pharisee na beka so won ne Christ. Ko se de no mo sia wo nkon na o ma hyehyɛ wo ho wo ba se ya na nye komo a obi ebu wo mo atene ne fo utumu se de na Yesu aye no so simple no ono mo na mo kra utumu so hu ko so de ma mi hu ye tama wo mo ba be chi Yesu woni na siofo ni nyina ye pe nti se wa mfamfia no ankwa ye hu se we ni Christ no wonu mu nyina ye pe nti so mo ka so mo akwa ko they won't see him be picking ni pafoforo nti na wo se we ni mfamfia no nko no nkyere mo de mefe na no no. That's how humble he is. So what I say? Timisrao. Onyame je sikafo, oje hiafo. Obi timi kama me no to a. Ene na yesese humbleness ntiti asade mo no kora wo nhye bi menkan sa. Ye wa sikafo ni wa hiafo, obi o de no. O hye na tade. O siesie no, eno nkyere se arrogant eyesuban ni piefri nya watade hye mo wo de na mabont. Obi a wo hye atade a me fi so ya arrogant, ene obi a wo hye atade yi no. O yi ni sirem ni nufum, me hu so ya hantan. You are exposing yourself. Nyewa wakova ho kama ofira wo ntoma papa bi kama enam wo ba bi ene yese wofira ntoma papa nti ene de yese takuya afra super wax wo ya arrogant nye sa bi na mpa kire yemre ye ho ase wa komam Jesus Christ obre no ho ase e wa komam ye dru party na se obi frɛ obi kura pake wo ka nanim ama ye na so misra wan ka ne si we bi kura obi enya yi na okochia na quick wo ba obi apake ko gina nkosiasem be na ya no mudi no na we nyina nya nkosiasem obi apake ka sesem ba be wan na pake sa ka we no bra ni pie ya na branch u be pake ka no wani manti no wani chiche woti kwa na ani pepe ntama na Sunday ye kwa asoro wa ba bi jiro no ba be block mi say eno so die nsam fun no. That doesn't teach humbleness. Last mekai metikem yako baby yako chia omo me no mentena o ti me be share kem na me twen mikunu no obie ba nyina yako ti obi aba be pake ye ka nanim na yeso ye pake nchen ti nipa no fi se ye fort obo me mirror no kwasiasem be na mudi no mo ne mema ne be hyehyɛ kam na mo fa mo sa na mudi kwasiasem nti do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? Na misika no de mesesu man na mehwe no no de ne se bo miro no sa guess we some kwasiasem mo dem se no fi se me yakola ena jamanya obi car front ena metie na se sugar daddy bi car front makote no se dio na bre yi chesanya sam kitu. Oh, parking lot what? And you come in and I'm saying, "It's why me from." Cause yes, I'm better. Mum, parking car, mum, parking rough. But the man, make a no bob or bomber or put down. Mum, parking or mum, to cano, floco. One of me could not be a unity, or also one camera, one winning Boniface. Opio one ma. No so one boy in the casam. I'm so was my packing anymore. Me call me to me caco, brown and lucky so inside. Only a cocoon. Me couldn't so quiet. Or buy a who guy no in the casano so no. And you say a packeo. When you buy a sin and not be nice, on any casa nice, come see Adentin on a casa nice. Was one who Obi bin kwase so also ko pepa ni pakra o afi ahunku on say one to man show action yo obi abi jira we do here atem say oh so na me say akwa wo yi wo ye kaka wo je wan kasa on ne kasa nice no se mire no afi bra ni wie na wasa yes look stupid oh we de mpacho kapito we de me sropa me nim say madam me pacho wa e wa na me siba no hu say me nya akwala keto Minya baya, mi see from. So, these people, they go to church. Some of our behaviors in Chile Christo. Ebi a misumi ubi a kamisumi ke kambi achen. Mene me yi me na sempabwa because man yo ya no yi na sempabwa. Me pabwa ne be bon mas afre police ama. Miwia we kwa mi say ko beye miwia na kama man fans kwa mi fans timi kunu ba na kwa mi so to anache say asamanyasi so but I did not do that o kasa nyina mai din na me no so bi wo mi say me preach wa ha nie dey so be fisi twa no to dey ade o de no if you get closer to me mentisa so what you see until let's show that and then you sika so na nipa unya na wo sika timitu sika wa taban sika ye betoi ye best nti wo bia calm yourself down and man nti unhwehwe nkofo ani wo fam me pa brofo ye yo broni ye ukona broni ye yi pa na fe no ko sika se be ye ka show. They said the Mayweather muye, or to Mayweather to Mrs. Sestica go say. No, my baby and son, or no woman and damn passion. No, I didn't woman now, we also cash money. Cash money. See, canning tea, who your police in no miracle credit on farm. What about them crabby? Who dear bro, who treat you, or treat you? So what you see? Tibia, Mumu be removed the moon. Most of you have money, but don't let the money control you. Control your money. Woman a chance to be control. Until people will see you, will say now here. Until mercy can you control your money. Don't let your money control you. Ni yonko yeni. Na na yenka hu. Tisani ya arrogant to wiase. They say ya ba Kristo yenya into. Say yanko jinti. Nyesa yi nyanko. Nti ne me baya. Nsem ba ko mienu. Ene onyame na meswa. Waka kire ye nyina. Yenko ye homework. Na onyame ondum emwaye. Ye be ye Christopher. We are not above the law. Ye kura na wo se ye hwe hu ye. So what you say? Ye nye careful. Ne yentumi nyinam enkosi ewiye. Emfa honhom na nhyase na emfa honam enkowie. Ka me pesa ka wode honam ahyase fa honhom kokowie wate. Na onyame onhyira na onye okese. I love you guys. Love you. And Levi ese onye okay kakra nti se meka se mecha obesu ahaye. So
your true time ebusia yankopon hyira mo. If I just saw you new to this channel about chow click subscribe button also. Na here sa don man yi mienu bi epie e na pempem a MP a click so. Na we are no click like button also. Na we ja comment e video na say. We are sa nyoma we ya eboa ama channel no so ekonenimu. Se person yankopon asem no tumi ko wi asa fa na ni na